Hello guys, today we're in this giant fat guy and my friend wants to go this again. Come on, are you in the pizza or not? Because I just leave the game actually. Oh man. Are you even in the pizza or not? Bro. Are you in the pizza or not? Wait for me. I'll cut that where we left, guys, and right now. I'll cut that. Okay, guys, we're here and we are 3, 2, 1, go. What do you mean? You went too late. No. No, the video didn't start. No, it didn't start. What? No. I didn't start the video. Oh my goodness, that hurts. Bruh, you just went straight there. And do you want to drink this pee-pee? No, I didn't start the video. You'll see later. No. I'll do it in the end. What do you mean bye? Hello? Are you still there? Okay, you're still there. I thought you say bye. You just died. What the heck? Never. Actually, I was pranking you. I start the video already. I pranked you. No, you didn't know that. Stop lying. And I have hacks. Yes, I do. Look. Boom. See? I just spawned here. I do have hacks. No. Oh man. We're almost at the end. Just a fast video. Bang, boom. Bing. Are you still there or no? Oh, I thought you'd leave. Wait, we'll get to the end. Bam. There. I spawned here. I do have admin hacks. I do have admin hacks. Oh, random guy just spawned here. Yeet. Yeet. Oh, he died on that. Yeet. Oh man, that was... How? Or... Yeet. How is he dying on that? Oh man, that was close. Yeet, yeet. I'm almost in the end. Come on, where are you? Wait, remember this, guys, that we like continuing the video? I know that was not with JP. Where are you, JP? My head's blowing. Actually, I was just lying. I don't have hacks. Bruh, come, just, where are you? What stage are you on? Bro, 17? Can you get here fast? We'll pause this until my friend gets here. Finally, my friend is here. That was so long. Wow, the end. I remember that I show you guys. Can we make a song? Bro. Ding, 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 ding. That was funny. Can I put that song? Wait, I will put this song. I will put that song. Wait, I just put this song. Wait. You're like a pro, JP. What's a dark pet? I'm blocking the pet. Yeet, 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 yeet. Remember I show you a secret, JP? Okay guys, I will end this video right now. Say peace, JP. Where are you? Say peace. Hello? What? Say peace. Bruh. Can you say that, please? Okay. Well, my friend doesn't want to say peace. I don't care. I'm just gonna end the video with this guy too. Bye.